Hey everybody, this is Charlie with Metalworks again with an update on the 55 Chevy build. You see Joe is now working on the custom firewall. So a large amount of the firewall was removed. Now he's building templates out of pressed board. And you can see that this centerpiece here he has already did a step roll on and has that one set into place. So that kind of gives you an idea of where he's going with the style for the new firewall. So I'll try to keep getting as much footage as I can of him as he's building that out and keep you guys updated, and keep checking back. I'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, this is Chadley with Metalworks. Just another quick update on the 55. Joe's got the firewall all finished up here. Still needs it welded in, but I wanted to give you guys an update before the holiday break here. Really turned out amazing. Clearance very, very nicely for the motor. So again, just wanted to give you a final update here before Turkey Day. Now that Joe's got the firewall all finished up. So keep checking back. We'll pick up again after the holidays. And you can always check out the build as well on metalworksclassics.com. And keep checking back here for more videos on the progress of the 55. Take care, we'll talk to you soon.